Good morning, everybody. So today we're going to be fishing a little backwater creek for some wintertime reds and maybe some trout too. It is absolutely freezing this morning. It is like 40 degrees right now, and we are at a super low tide. I think I just saw one right there off to my side. There's something moving around, but I'm going to get this camera on and get to it. I'll see you guys out there. All right, guys, we're at this first spot of the day. Let's see what we can scrounge up. I think most of that mullet over by the crab trap, I don't know how well you guys can see that because of the sun in my eyes, but I think that's mostly mullet, but I can't just pass by it without taking a couple casts just to make sure. Alright guys, I want to kind of keep you in the loop of what's going on. Still no fish. That's pretty much our only update. I'm trying to find an area with some relatively high tree cover on both sides so that I can actually cast, but this is the first area I've seen that looks like it has any kind of promise. I think what we're going to do is, this whole area has a lot of moving water, shows a lot of promise to hold some good fish. I think I'm going to post up on one of these islands, anchor, and walk down the shoreline. I think that's probably our best bet right now. I need to back up and go back towards the kayak. I can see a nice snook. I lost a visual on him. I knew that if he saw me at the distance that he was at, he would spook long before I could get a proper cast in, but I don't remember exactly where he was. There we go. There we go. We rolling? Oh yeah, we're rolling. Let's go, guys. There we go. He ain't big, but he's the first one of the day that I've been managed to get on camera. All right, buddy. See you later. Look at how pretty he is. Get out of here. That's amazing. Let's go, guys. All right. I'm gonna clip it and reset up. All right, I might have to go back and change my bait. If I do, I'm gonna bring the whole kayak around to the side of the island. But dude, that is amazing. I have fished for right on 2 hours now. And that's the first fish I've gotten on camera. Bring the kayak around and tuck it up next to the shore with me. But I don't want to. Oh, I think we're gonna have to deal with this first. Oh, it's stuck. No, it's not. It's just a good fighting trout. Never mind. Okay. Come on, buddy. Walk over here so I can set my rod up for a minute. Oh, okay. There we go. Let's go. That's a lot bigger one. I mean, than what we had before. He's not huge by any means, but really been wanting to get a good release. So here we go, buddy. See you, dude. Oh, there he goes. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Whoa, come back here. That'd be a trick, huh? Amateur YouTuber with almost no subscriber perished this because he lost his kayak. Perfect. That's exactly where I wanted to cast. That's something a lot better. That's a lot better, actually. That's that red. All right, come on, buddy. Oh. Okay, well, I just majorly over exaggerated that. Come here, buddy. I thought that was that big red. That's what I get for talking about it before I saw him. That's okay, though. We'll take him, right? That little rat red. See, dude? Not quite where I wanted it, but I can work with it. There's a trout right there in front of me. He's still there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Oh, there he was. Come on, take it again. There he is. Oh, nope, another red. Oh, come here, buddy. Man, he is feisty as all get out. A little bit better one, too. Come here, bud. Come here. There he is. Look how pretty he is. There you go, buddy. Easy, don't swim into the ground. There we go. All right, another red. What is that, 2 now? Yeah. All right, let's get back to it. So, what seems to be working really well is to, like, I don't want to say violently jig it, but more so than I normally would, and then you let it drop for a couple seconds. Seems to be the name of the game. Hook up. There we go. Hook up. Little trout. Come here, buddy. Come here. He's barely hooked. See, dude. Look at him go. That is a pretty fish right there. Can't hide in my shadow, buddy. Go, go. Be free. All right. All right. Another rat red? Yeah, it's another rat red. He's got some fire in him though. He's got a lot of spots. And look at that blue tail from eating all the crustaceans. Look how pretty that is. All right, buddy. See you, dude. Oh, that would have been one, I think. Another rat. We got a pretty good little hole of rats there. I saw a bigger one earlier. I really want to try to catch him, but I am not complaining in the least about catching these guys. They're still fun. See you, buddy. Also, for any of those who don't know watching this, rat reds are what we call little redfish. So when I'm saying rats, I'm not being derogatory towards the redfish. It's what we call little reds. Just for clarification there. There we go. There we go. Oh, it's a flounder, dude. Heck yeah. All right. Look at that. Dude, I love catching these. I don't catch them very often, but I am super happy when I do. Oh, they're right down here. Let's get a better look at you. Come here, buddy. Oh, okay. Okay. Look at that guy. All right, come here, buddy. There you go. There we go, okay. All right, I got him unhooked. Look at him swim away. He's still got our gulp shrimp. Buddy, you're not hidden. Go. Go. There we go. Better one. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's red. Oh, he's in the grass. Oh, another rat. Okay. Come here, buddy. How in the world did you manage this? I'm sorry about that, bud. Let's get this out of you. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, buddy. I'm trying to help you. I know it doesn't feel like it, but I'm trying. There we go. All right. See you, dude. There we go. It's a snook. Heck yeah, buddy. It's not a big snook, but it's a snook. That is another inshore slam for us on the board. Oh, let's freaking go. Hope I didn't. No, I didn't damage his mouth. He's fine. Okay. Thought I heard him there for a second. All right, see you, buddy. Oh yeah, he's fine. If it keeps going like this, I'm gonna run out of gulp shrimp. Which, I mean, not a bad problem to have when you're catching fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's another snook. Oh my gosh, okay. That makes more sense. There were 2 or 3 other little snook with him. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, come here, bud. Second snook of the day. He's a baby, but I think most of them in this spot are. I don't think I'm going to catch any records today, any giants, but I sure am having fun, and it's like the one place that I can actually cast with this wind, so you are not going to hear me complaining. Bam. Hopefully that was right on the money. I don't know. I think this one's got a little heavier lead weight too. See if that makes much of a difference. Ooh, maybe. Oh, another one of those snook, bro. All right. There we are. Come on in there, buddy. There we go. All right, she ain't big, but I'll take her. Alrighty, guys. So I'm packing up right now. I'm getting everything back in the kayak, getting ready to head out. I think that's going to be it for the day. We've caught enough fish, and it's still pretty chilly out here. So I'm going to go head back to the ramp and then try to go get some warm food and a shower. But thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it, and God bless. That guy right there. I was on my way back and I spotted him. See you, buddy.